Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Adobe After Effects. So for downloading it, press on Window key and then search here Microsoft Store and then open it. So now here inside the Microsoft Store on the search bar, search here for Adobe Creative Cloud. So let me search. So here you can see Adobe Creative Cloud is showing. Now click on it. So as I have already installed Adobe Creative Cloud, so this is showing as open. In your case, this will show as install. So after installing, you can open it from here. So just wait till this opening. So here you can see, let me go to home. So when you open the Adobe Creative Cloud, first you have to log in or sign up with your Google account. After signing in, this screen will show. So from here, you have to go to apps. Now, here you can see when you scroll down, Adobe After Effects is showing. Now click on free trial and just wait. So here you can see it is loading. Here are the subscription plans showing along with the free trial. So you can continue with the free trial. After that, you can pay for the subscription. So this is how you can download Adobe After Effects on your computer and can use it. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.